Saving money and investing money are not the same thing. Saving is mainly about protection. Investing is mainly about growth. If someone keeps all their money sitting in cash forever, inflation will slowly reduce what that money can buy. This is one reason why financially wealthy people will often invest heavily. We want our money to produce more money. Investing usually means putting money into assets. Things like businesses, stocks, property, or funds. The idea is simple. Instead of only earning from labor alone, investors also earn from ownership. For example, if you own part of a company and that company grows and expands in a financially healthy way, the value of your ownership will likely increase. Some investments also generate ongoing income through dividends, rent, or interest. But of course, investing includes risk. Values can rise and fall. Nothing is ever truly guaranteed. But historically, long-term investing has often outpaced inflation much better than leaving money untouched. This creates a major difference between how many wealthy and non-wealthy people actually use money. Many people work primarily for money. But investors aim to make money work for them. This doesn't require extreme wealthy amounts of finances to begin investing. Even small, consistent investing over long stretches of time can compound significantly, because time matters enormously in the world of money. Compounding means growth begins generating its own growth. And over months, years, or decades, this kind of effect can become surprisingly powerful.